Welcome back. So today, 17th of March, we are recording the levels for 18th of March, right? So before going ahead, please read this disclaimer. So this video is purely for educational purpose and these are my personal views, right? So let us move ahead. So today we had Nifty expiry and we will be discussing about what levels we took out yesterday and where it played, where the trades came down and where it went good and where it did not went, right? So let us move ahead. So these were the markings of yesterday. We opened this red candle, we opened over straight at our resistance. First 15 minutes we did not sustain. We over here is indication of a price of Nifty, right? So spot Nifty did not sustain, it moved down, and from there you have the markings of yesterday intact. From that we had a upside move, then sideways, again it broke the resistance and came down back again, right? At that time over here it was 50 EMA. From there it started bouncing back again. First clearance of resistance and then it went ahead for the first target of the resistance, right? So after breaking 23,487 it went to 23,633, right? From that it came down. We were looking out for Hero Zero, that is the Gamma Blast on a put side, right? In the morning I was looking out for a Gamma Blast in the put side. Over here if I break this candle into a 5-minute candle, we will be able to see something which was giving an indication that put side has got over. Can you see this 12:15 candle? From 11 it started falling down. The put writers, maximum of them have winded up their positions. I'm talking about put writers, huh? So when a put writer comes down and he starts dumping up all his selling, then obviously there will be a price hike, right? Demand goes up. So over here all the put writers came out and all of a sudden call writers were in place. That's the reason from here we got a rally, right? So now today we had both side, put and call, both side we had a good trades. So obviously the initial trades were only of a scalping and after that there was a trailing, and if you have trailed then obviously a good points were captured. Last momentum of the put writer came down over here. Hero Zero of the put came down. It was at 3 o'clock. So till 3 o'clock you're not supposed to sit. You have to analyze it, and this was the first one and this was the second one, put writing. That is put pe jo call put Gamma Blast, that is 00 on the put side came at 11 itself instead of 1, and last one came at 3 o'clock after 1 o'clock, right? So what is the trade for tomorrow and where we are supposed to trade and at what levels? Let us discuss it down. I hope these levels are helping you. See, I have kept the drawings intact. अगर यहाँ पे green बना तो next यहाँ पे you can see it. First green, but it did not sustain, and after that second green we started moving up. First target achieved, right? So now I am erasing all these things so that chart looks clean and where you can execute the trades you can have it. Today today I will be discussing little bit of an extra as a writer what you should see, not only as an options buyer but also as a options seller, where you can see and where you can make a good writing strategy also. Right, now let us see monthly. I'm not going back again to the monthly and everything, and you have to just see the old videos. I'm moving the green lines upside. Okay, so now this is going to be my support. This black line, this is going to be my support. So where am I finding up a support? I'm finding up a support at 23,353. If I see a little bit in a very minute manner, I can see a support over here. Can you see this? Earlier it was a resistance, and after the resistance got broke, it was hovering here. It moved, but it came back again and it started taking up a support over here. So this point is a hidden point. So now actual your support is at 23,412. Right? If this support breaks, yes, Nifty can move towards 23,320. That is this level of a support. So first support is 23,412. If that breaks, 23,320, and if that breaks, we can see Nifty coming to this level. So let me put it in a red color. Right? Midway there is a small one, मतलब एक hidden जैसा रहता है. Let me show you this one. I mark this as a thin one. It's not 2px, it's एक thin red line है. So this 23,380 will act as a indication. How that indication? Say suppose if we are opening down, gap down open हो रहे हैं, and यहाँ पे if there is a red candle, right, you have to wait, मतलब first 15 minutes आपको wait करना पड़ेगा. You get a red candle, आप immediately short positions के लिए नहीं जाते हो. Over here it is a red, and again there is a red. This is a confirmation of the Nifty starting coming down to this first target, and this is will be the second target. यहाँ पे भी अगर red form हुआ तो, you got it? So this is for tomorrow. मतलब अगर gap down open होता है तो क्या करना है? That is what I am trying to make you explain. Gap down chances a little less, आएगा तो भी इधर तक ही आना चाहिए 23,500 के आसपास, but ठीक है. We cannot say anything. If something comes down tonight, Iran does something or US does something, तो obviously कुछ ना कुछ market पे असर आ जाता है. Fine. So this if gap down. Now let us come down to the mid level. Mid level क्या है? For tomorrow the mid level is this. Can you see this red के ऊपर? Right. So this will be the mid level, that is 23,491. 23,491 के ऊपर अगर open होता है Nifty, तो it is a good one. यहाँ पे open हुआ, say if Nifty opens here, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कि आई माइट बी लिटिल बिट, मतलब ट्रेड कहाँ करने का कहाँ नहीं करने का. एस्टरडे आई एक्सप्लेन कि इन बिटवीन यहाँ पे ट्रेड मत करना, तो वो लेवल्स अभी हट गए. सो लेट आई विल कीप इट दैट इन माई माइंड ऑल्सो. इफ निफ्टी ओपन्स हियर और यहाँ पे हॉवर कर रहा है, आपको ट्रेड्स नहीं आएंगे. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. you will be getting only scalping trades. You got it? So now, तो आपका लेवल मिड लेवल क्या है 23,491. इफ निफ्टी ओपन्स बिटवीन दिस 23,611 के नीचे ओपन हो रहा है एंड 23,491 के ऊपर, तो if it is opening over here there will be no trades coming down, so you have to be careful, क्योंकि आज एक्सपायरी हुआ है तो कल मैक्सिमम नेक्स्ट वीक के प्रीमियम्स को ईट करने की कोशिश में रहेंगे, राइट. एंड नाउ 15 मिनट्स रखता हूँ तो थोड़ा एक इजी मोड मिलेगा आपको. सो व्हाट वुड इफ 23,611 क्रॉस कर लिया तो आपका फर्स्ट क्या रहेगा, फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ resistance will be 23,695 and after that it would be this level. So as a trader you have to be open for all the things. मतलब आप डाउन जाओगे तो किस लेवल तक जा सकते हो, साइडवेज रहेगा तो किस